Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can generate AI art using stable diffusion. So for that, I will be providing different links in the description box, and all you have to do is just use those links to download different things that I will be giving you out in this video. So the first thing that you need to download is just use this link of stable diffusion web UI. Just go to this link and click on this option of code. After that, you need to download this zip file, and after that you need to download Python, and just go to this link and scroll down to the very end. Then you will be able to see this option of Windows installer 64-bit. It is the recommended one, so it will work quite fine. Just use this one and download it. After that, you need to download this Git. The link will be provided in the description. Make sure that you are downloading it from the standalone installer, 64-bit or 64-bit, 64-bit or 32-bit as per your requirements. And in the last, you need to download this model for stable diffusion. Just click on download it and you will be able to download. And after downloading all of them, you need to install them one by one. And for the Python, when you start its download process, make sure that you select the option of add to path while installing it, and just download it normally the way you download other applications. And after that, just go to this zip file of web UI for stable diffusion. After extracting all the files, you need to just open its folder and open the webui.bat file in the extracted folder. And in some computers, the .bat file might not be there, so you just simply open the web UI file and run it. After that, you need to wait for a while to make the process go on its own. And after it finishes, you need to open up the model file that we just downloaded from this website. Just copy it and you need to open web UI folder again, and there you will be able to find this option of models. Just open that folder, and under models you will find this option of stable diffusion folder. Just open it and paste the model file of this website into the folder, extracted folder of web UI in the particular stable diffusion folder. And after that, you need to open up your web UI again by clicking on the .bat file or the web UI simple file. And after that, a URL will be provided to you in the end. And after that, you need to just minimize your web UI file. Don't close it, and use the URL in your browser. Open a browser and use that URL to generate images as per your text. And if you find any problem, you can always go to the settings, and you will be able to see that there are different settings which will require for you to run it if you get any error. And if you are still not able to solve any problem, you can always comment down below and we will be happy to help you out. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.